46 inches. Mark my spot. I drill my holes and put these hooks in. I'm gonna put that side on that hook and then bring this side up, put it on this hook. This thing takes up not much room, but I just don't have any, they're about went my light. Any floor room in here. I'm trying to make room for my my new toolbox. I take that back. I had to put this side up first, and then I'm gonna swing it over to that side. But if I put that side up first, then it would hit my still sprayer, chemical sprayer. That's a backpack chemical sprayer too. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool. And that's how I get that out of the way.